I must water the durian tree. Oh, I watered it all by myself.
Yes, now it begins.
Oh my goodness, my car! That thief is stealing it! This is bad! We need to call the police!
Police headquarters, this is Officer Panda. Go ahead.
Come and help me! Hurry! I'm pointing at this! Come now!
I understand. We're on our way now. Out.
Responding to the call now. ETA 3 minutes. Copy that, Panda 1. Dispatch, this is Officer Panda. I'm en route. Copy that, officer. Proceed with caution. Pull over, you're under arrest! Not today, copper. You'll have to catch me first. No, you won't. I've got you now.
Oh no!
Help! Let me out! Help me! Please! Dispatch, this is Panda 1. I have eyes on the bridge. Major structural failure. Help! Stop right there! No, let me go!
You're coming with me, chimp.
You are under arrest, criminal. I'll be back.
Yes, officer.
Move it!
All right, I'm going.
Thank you so much!
You're welcome, little one. Keep up the good work.
Things aren't good! We need to bring the vehicle out to repair the bridge! We need to fix the bridge so we can continue moving! Keep it up! Finally, the harvest is done! Now let's go home!
Seems to be a slight wiring issue. Nothing Superman can't fix.
Yay!
Okay, let's go.
I have delivered the durians. Who's ready to unload them? Now let's take a look at how to make delicious durian dishes. Time to go to work. That's amazing! The smoothie looks incredibly delicious! Greed and theft are not advisable. A chimpanzee stole a baby monkey's car and ended up in an accident and was caught. Thank you everyone for watching the channel. Please like, and subscribe!
Hello? Oh my gosh! Oh no!
Why is there a hole?
Oh no!
The vehicle is badly damaged.
Oh!
What do I do now?
Aha!
Alright, I copy that. We'll need the heavy riggers and the thermal scanner. I'm on my way.
Let's go! Hello?
The tractor is completely broken. We can't move it.
It just stopped working right there by the tree.
It's all right, little one. We will fix it.
Let's get the rope.
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang. Let's go!
Thank you! Bye!
We need to fix the car.
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang. Okay. Oh.
We need to wash the car.
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang. Okay.
I have something for you.
Thank you!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang. Okay. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Hello?
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Huh?
Oh no!
We need to go back quickly or it'll start raining.
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Let's go! Oh my gosh!
Oh no!
We need to get inside quickly.
Oh! Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
When will the rain stop? When will the rain stop?
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
We need to replant the seeds. We need to go back and get the seeds.
Let's go!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Aha!
Here it is.
Okay!
Fiesta!
Let's go!
Fiesta!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Oh no!
Aha!
We have to spray it.
Let's go!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Fiesta!
Let's go!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Okay!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang. Oh!
Okay!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
The radish is so big.
Okay!
Let's go home.
Oh!
Let's go home and cook.
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Fiesta!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
The soil is extremely dry.
What?
The pump is broken.
Huh?
What should we do now?
Aha! Let's go!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Okay!
Fiesta!
Oh!
Okay, let's go.
Let's go buy a pump.
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Okay.
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Okay!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Fiesta!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Let's go fertilize.
Oh!
Finally, it's done.
Oh my god!
Why is it raining?
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
It's raining heavily. The rain has stopped. Let's go get the seeds. Fiesta!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang. Oh! Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
What is it?
Oh my god!
We must do something. It's time to call for rescue. Quick, help! The horse is stuck! I understand. I'll be there soon. Stay put. You can do it. Wait here. I'll go save the horse.
Thank you very much.
Oh no! The horse's leg is hurt! Quick! You can do it! Almost done with the bandage. Get on the truck! I'll take you back home!
Let's go! Hey, what's it taking so long?
Here you go, Bear. Some watermelon for you.
Thank you.
This watermelon is so tasty. Let's turn it into juice.
Okie dokie!
So tempting. Join me for a drink, everyone. Everything's gone, Sniff. There's not a single bit left. My banana tree.
Huh?
No, no, no. Stop right this instant. Call the police immediately. Got it. I'm on my way immediately. Quick, get in. We need to follow the trail immediately. wrong with the car? Stop immediately. You're under arrest. Finally, my banana is here. That's my banana for sure. Get him!
Thank you, Officer Panda.
Let's go. We got our banana back. Come on, let's plant some seeds.
Hey, what's it taking so long?
Go get the medicine right now. Let's harvest now.
Thank you very much.
Let's bake banana cakes.
Hey, what's it taking so long? Okie dokie!
Huh? Where's the kitten? Hey, little kitten.
My gosh!
Let's get meat to feed the crocodile.
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
We have to be quick.
Hey, you! Stop!
Huh?
Superstar!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Okay!
We need to call Mr. Bear for help.
Yes, I understand. Send the coordinates now. We're on our way.
Thank you. Are you here to help me?
It's all right, little one. You're safe now. We'll get you out of here.
We have to catch it with a net.
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Superstar! Time to cook.
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Here we go!